In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play poker in Red Dead Redemption 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To play poker in Red Dead Redemption, you will be playing Texas Hold'em against other characters, so in your camp or various towns. So when you walk up to any character that is willing to play a table like this, you will be able to start. So you can find a game on a camp, so sometimes your fellow gang members will set up a poker game at your camp and you can join it, or when you go to town, you can find poker tables in the saloons of various towns including Valentine, Tumbleweed, Blackwater, and you will usually have to pay a small buy-in to join a game. Now, for the basic gameplay, you and the other players will each be dealt 2 private cards like these ones, so only you will know these cards. They will be face down at the start, and these are your whole cards. 5 cards will be dealt in the center of the table, where they will reveal the first 3, then the 4th, and then the 5th and final card. There is a round of betting after each stage of dealing, so after the whole cards, the flop, the turn, and the river, and your goal is to make the best possible 5-card poker hand using any combination of your 2 private cards plus the 5 cards that they put in the middle of the table. So essentially, you do need to know a little bit about poker in the sense of knowing all of the possible hands, but this is easy to follow even if you don't know. You can check your cards at any time, the community cards, and you can even enable auto bet if you aren't sure how much to bet. If no bets have been made in your current round, you can check, meaning that you don't bet but you remain on the hand, and if no bets have been made, you will have the option to make the first bet, so you can put a small amount, and you will have to pay a bind each time to actually play that specific round. So some poker hands will be stronger than others. For example, a full house, a flush, a straight will all be better than the standard pairs, and some will be powerful and win over everything, but are exceedingly rare, such as the royal flush, straight flush, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play poker Red Dead Redemption 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.